Storm surge, this one is more likely to be asked with the climate change, and storm surge usually also happen in the typhoon, right? So for climate change, there will be, or global warming, there will be more frequent and more intense storm, tropical cyclone. And as a result, there will be more frequent storm surge, okay? So do you know why there's storm surge? High wind speed and low pressure. So we saw in the video just now, high wind speed, okay? So we are going to splash the wave onto the coastline. So it's kind of like if you have a cup, right? So if you want to do this experiment after class, you can get a cup, fill it with water, don't fill it full, but let's say 90% full. And then you get close to it and you blow like, towards the surface of the cup, the water, beyond the cup. So it's the same thing. So simply, it creates turbulence in the surface water. And then if the land is like sea level is high enough, close to the land, then the sea water is going to be splashed onto the land. Okay, so that's storm surge. And why? We have high sea level because low pressure. So low pressure is rising air, right? The tropical storm generates rising air generate low pressure that forms the tropical storm. So it's kind of like suction. It's like you have a vacuum, don't try it, but if you imagine you take a vacuum cleaner and get it close to the water is going to get sucked into the vacuum cleaner, right? And your vacuum cleaner is going to get like broken because of the water and the electric short circuit, so don't try it unless you want to break it. Anyway, so it means that the sea level is higher than normal under storm condition. Because of low pressure, rising air is going to suck the surface water up a little bit, up to 1 meter.